Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and we're getting towards the festive season, so I have a festive treat for you. I love this time of year. There's so much going on, so much wonderful food and flavours, and here I'm going to go with something a little bit different. So, you know the saying, bacon makes everything better? Well, we're going to find out today. I love Christmas pudding. Nice, thick, chunky Christmas pudding here. And what I'm going to do today is wrap it in bacon and then smoke it on the barbecue and see if it's true, bacon makes everything better. I think it'll go amazing. There's lots of nice fruit and stuff, and as we know, bacon goes quite well with some sweet stuff. So let's give it a go and find out how it is. I went for a pretty standard Christmas pudding, a couple of quid from the supermarket, this one, nothing special. I didn't want to ruin a fancy one if it didn't go well. So just a nice, simple, cheap Christmas pudding. I have some smoky bacon here, and I'm just going to wrap that all the way around a few times. So we've wrapped our Christmas pudding in streaky smoked bacon. I'm going to be popping it on the barbecue at about 160, 170 degrees. I'm looking for about 70 degrees internal temperature for this Christmas pudding to know it's cooked. So I'm going to use my meter plus to check the temperature for me. So I'm going to pop that into the middle there, and that's going to give me a good internal temperature. But I need that bacon to get crispy as well, which is going to go lovely with this, I think. So I've got my Kamado Joe set up for around, well, it's 170 there at the moment. Moderate direct heat. I've put a chunk of cherry in, and we need this bacon to get crispy. So I'm going to put the seam down over there, just slightly away from the hottest part, which is over here. And let's see how we do. Okay, so I'm going to set up my meter app for this bacon wrap Christmas pudding. Now I've got beef, pork, poultry, lamb, fish and other. I don't think it's meant for Christmas puddings. They've got venison, reindeer, moose, buffalo, ostrich, mutton, kangaroo, goat and other. So I'm going to go other again, and I can set the temperature to what I want. So I'm looking for around 70 degrees here, I think 70, 71 degrees C. That way I know it's going to be hot and cook through. So 71, start cook. There we go, it's 14 degrees at the moment. Let's see how long this takes. We want that bacon to get nice and crispy on the outside too. So the bacon's starting to crisp up, and so I'm just going to brush it with a little bit of maple syrup, just for a bit of caramelization on the top and a bit of extra sweetness. The meter's telling me that that's done. Let's get it off the heat. Wow, that looks amazing. I'm going to do a little bit of my trick here. I've got some mousse maple butter here. I'm going to put a little bit of that on top. And that will melt in the heat like that. But what I'm going to do is just melt that with a chunk of charcoal over the top. Now's really the moment of truth. Is this a winner, or is it going to be god awful? Let's have a taste. Cut it open. Well, the pudding looks lovely and cooked through. So I'm going to have a bit here. Maybe a dab of cream with it. Let's see what we think. It's probably going to be really hot as well, but let's try it. That's definitely interesting. I think it's a winner. I think that's really good, actually. You get the bacon there, the slight savouriness of that, the smokiness of that, the hit of cherry smoke, obviously the nice little bit of sweetness from the melted maple butter over the top. I'd say that's a winner. I'm going to definitely give that a go. You need to get that bacon nice and crispy, and I think that's an absolute winner. So bacon wrapped Christmas pudding cooked on the barbecue with a bit of cherry smoke. Try it. Let me know what you think. Give it a go and tell me in the comments below if you do give it a go. Cheers.